In first tutorial we explain what is the purpose of helioscope program, and also what is the how can you log in for free period, and how to create project and open your design. Okay, when we have field segment created, we can choose solar panel from the library. Next step is to do to choose racking position of the models. Here in helioscope there are 4 basic racking position of the model. First one is fixed tilt racking of the models. If you zoom in, you can in every moment press shift key and right click and see what is the side view of the project. And here you can see what is the meaning of the fixed tilt tracking. It is, you can also choose the tilt angle, let's say 30 degree. You see that in this case tilt tracking is increased. This tilt angle is increased. Okay, and it is the fixed tilt angle. Next one is the flash mount tracking. It is in the case when our panels are parallel with the roof. You can also now choose what is the tilt of the roof. Let's say it's 10 degree. Okay. Third option is east-west orientation. In east-west orientation, it is, you see, it is the east-west orientation of the models. And it is important to know that at every moment, on your right side it is the east side, on the left it is the west, up is north and down is south. It's like on the globus, same. And the final option is the shade structure. Okay, it is very similar to this second one, flash mount tracking. Let's say in our case we want to be like flash mount tracking, so it is the parallel, models are parallel with the roof. Okay, here you can now change the azimuth angle. Let's say I want to be 270, so it is opposite tilt of this roof. Okay, it is like that. You can, we explain what is the side view of the project. In every moment you can see and look from all sides, from the side view of the object, so you can get better orientation in this project. Okay, you can click on the recent view. It will give you a view from the up of this field segment. We also explain what is the changing of the tilt, azimuth and model orientation. Okay, and now next step is to explain you how to draw the keep outs. Keep outs are elements, let's say keep out like the object or like the tree. These are the objects which are making the shadow to your models. And you know that it is always bad to have like some models in the shadow, because it will decrease their production of electrical energy. So you can check and uncheck to move, to keep out from the shade from you see here from 10 o'clock to 2 p.m. o'clock. It is in the middle of the day, so it is important to all of our models are working without shade in this period. When you want to draw the keep out, you can click on the keep out, edit keep out, and you can now set the feedback from the keep outs. Let's say 3 and high of is 3. And now we can click here and draw the keep out. You can here click on the shadow arrow to hide the models. Keep out. Let's say keep out is feedback is 3 and feed is 3. And here, now I can draw the keep out by right clicking, same like for the field segment. And now it gives me option to see what is the feedback of the keep out and what is the high. let's say 3 feet and 3 feet. Okay, now I can also put the solar panels, and you see this next to this keep out panels are moved. Next options is to draw the tree. You can draw the tree by right clicking, and when you press, it is asking you to put what is the radius, let's say 5 feet, and what is the height, let's say 15 feet. So it will also draw the shadow of this tree, and you can go show and hide your objects. But it is important to click on this keep out from the shade from this period, so program will delete models which are in the shadow in this period.